With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so here's the question. Which of the following structure are vestigial in Python but not in the human beings? Okay, so this Python, it belongs to the reptiles. It belongs to the reptiles class, and human beings belongs to the mammals. All right, so let's see the first option. We have nictitating membrane. Nictitating membrane is a kind of the third eye that is present in the organism. If you talk about the reptile or amphibians, then it plays a very protective mechanism. It plays a very protective mechanism in protecting the eye plus moisturizing them. It provides the moisture also, it protects the eye also. But if you talk about the human beings, then this nictitating membrane is totally vestigial in case of nictitating membrane. All right. So over here, nictitating membrane is vestigial in human beings, but not in case of the python. So this is the full answer. Next is the ear pinna. Ear pinna is absent in case of the reptiles, but it is present in case of the human beings, and it is not vestigial. The function of the ear pinna is to collect to collect the sound waves. It is to collect the sound waves plus it provides the balance. Next one is the hind limbs. Now in case of the reptiles like python, the hind limbs are present, but they are non-functional. Why? Because reptiles, they creep on the land, and the hind limbs have become vestigial in case of the python. But if you talk about the human beings, then we walk via our hind limbs. Hind limbs are lower legs that is present in case of the human beings, and they are not vestigial. They are very, very useful. So answer for this question over here will be hind limbs. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.